Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. In previous videos we learned how to divide a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. In today's class we are going to learn how to divide a 2-digit number by 2-digit number, and also we are going to verify our answer. So this kind of examples are there in your My Practice Time 1 page number 120. Okay, see here, divide to find the quotient and remainder and also verify your answer. Verify your answer means you have to check whether my division is correct or wrong. For that you have one formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So by using this formula you can verify your answer. So let us solve this example and let us see how to do this example. So see here, 12 divided by 567 is there. So I will write here first 12 on the table. Okay, and already I taught the trick how to write tables. Now I will not explain that. If you practiced that, then you can know these tables. If you learn tables, best. If you don't know tables, then you can follow this trick. Okay, right here 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 36. Yes, these are the tables of 12. Then see, in 12 ones the table 5 is there. Yes, here not there. Then 12 zeros are 0. Okay, 5 minus 0 is 5. Next you take this 6 down. Now how much it is? 56. So check here where it is there. In 56 is there? No. 48 is there. How much? 4 za. 12 4 za 48. So 6 minus 8 is not possible. Take carry. 16 minus 8 is 8 and 5 minus 5 is 0. Next you take here 7 down. Then see, in 12 on the table 87 is there? No. So less than 87 is, which one is smallest number is here? 84. 72, 60, 48 all are small, but nearest small is here 84. So how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 12 7 for 84. Okay, so 7 minus 4 is 3, 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, here the quotient is how much here? 47, and this is remainder. Whenever you find the remainder is less than the divisor, then you stop it there. 3 is small and 12 is big, so you stop it there only. Okay, so next here this is quotient, this is remainder, and this is what? Dividend, and this is divisor. So now I need verify my answer whether it is correct or wrong. For that you have a formula. Dividend, which one is dividend here? 567. So which one is divisor here? 12. Okay, quotient how much is there? 47 plus remainder how much is there here? 3. Okay, if you got LHS is equal to RHS, then only your division is correct, else no. So here I need to find here equal. This side we are calling LHS and this side we are calling RHS. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. So in LHS how much is there? 567. If I got here also 567 as an answer, then your answer is correct. So write here 12 into 47. So I can't multiply here. So write vertically and find here 47 into 12. If you find 12 into 47 or 47 into 12, we will get a correct answer. Okay. So write here 2 7s are 14. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And leave here one place. 1 7s are 7. 1 4s are 4. So write here 4. 9 plus 7 is 16. 4 plus 1 is 5. So write here 564 plus 3. After adding, I will get here 567 as a answer. 12 into 47 is 564. See here, 564 plus 3 is 567. So I got here LHS is equal to RHS. So here my division is correct. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Means in previous videos you just divided the numbers. Here you need to verify your answer, for that you have a formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In this example here, divisor is 12, quotient is 47, okay, plus remainder is 3. Multiply this, I got here 564 plus 3. By adding I got here dividend is equal to the next example, means next digit. 567 is equal to 567. Okay, clear? Then let us take one more example. See here, for this you need a more practice, then only you are going to solve the example, okay, and keep learning tables too. Okay, so let us take one more example from your my practice time 2. My practice time 1, and that is page number 120. Already I have solved one example. Next you take here 250, means 13 divided by 250, okay, 250. So let us write here 13 ones a table. Yes, 130. So 13 ones a table is ready. See here, dear students, while solving the examples, compulsory you write tables in one side. Okay, so here see 250 is there. So in this example, in this table 250 is not there. So let us take one digit. So take here 2 is there. In 13 ones a table 2 is not there. So give here 13 zeros a 0. Okay, 2 minus 0 is 2. Next you take this 5 down. So now how much it is? 25. Okay, here 26 is there. So now I will take here direct 13, because less than 25 is here 13. So 13 ones are 13. Next, see here, 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Next you take here 0 down. Now how much it is? 120. Okay, so less than 120, which digit is there here? 117. How much za? 9 za. I can't take here 130 because it is 120, this is 130, and this is I will take, okay, 13 9 za 117. 0 minus 7 not possible, take carry, it becomes 10. 10 minus 7 is 3, 2 minus 2 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, so here now you have to write which one is quotient, which one is, this is quotient, this is remainder, this is divisor, and this is dividend. Okay, so here your half work is done. Now I need to check the answer, means I need to verify my answer. For that you have a formula. What is that formula? And that is dividend is equal to divisor. Yes, that is divisor into quotient. Okay, quotient, quotient plus remainder. Here R means remainder. Okay, so tell me here divisor how much is there? Divisor is, yes, and that is 13. Okay, 13 into quotient is 19 plus remainder. See here, divisor, while writing, most of the students are writing this. Don't write this. The other than, if you take this, then you will get a wrong answer. Divisor into quotient. Okay, so here remainder how much is there? Here remainder is 3. That 3 you write here. Okay, so here 13 9s are, you can take 13 9s are or 19 13s are. I will take here 19 13s are. So multiply this, 3 9s are 27, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. Value here 1 digit, and 1 9s are 9, 1 1s are 1. 7, 9 plus 5 is 14, and this 2. So how much I have to write here? 247. Okay, 247 you write here plus 3. Okay, plus 3. By adding 247 plus 3, how much I will get here? 7 plus 3 is 10, 4 plus 1 is 5, and this 2 you write as it is. Then 250 I got. Then tell me my answer is correct or wrong. Yes, my answer is correct because I got dividend here 250 is there. 250 is equal to 250, hence my division is correct. Okay, so see here, dear students, in your textbook they given more than 5 examples. Try to solve that example. See here, next here means page number 120, divide to find the quotient and remainder. Also verify your answer. There 10 examples are there. More than 5 examples are there. Among them I have solved there 2. Dear students, this formula you need to know. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And before solving now, whichever examples I solved, that you practice 2 to 3 times. Okay, 2 to 3 times, then you go through the next example. Okay, solve all the examples neatly and please keep learning tables at least 2 to 30. Okay, if you can't learn, then you can use the trick and you will solve the example. So here try to solve that page number 120, my practice time 1 second main, and send to my WhatsApp number. I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.